Alright, I know that we've talked a lot about adding protection to the cells of the worksheet and the structure of the workbook, but there is one more protection option that we can add to really secure our workbook, which is prompting users to enter a password to open up an Excel file. There might come a time where you need to send out a workbook, but you only want to allow people with the password to be able to open it. Or even for yourself, let's say you have a workbook that has a list of all your emails and passwords and other sensitive information. It would be ideal to add a password to the Excel workbook just in case if it ever gets in the wrong hands, nobody will be able to view your information. So to prompt users for a password to open the file, what we need to do is come up to the File tab, click Info, and select Protect Workbook. Now we have a bunch of different options, but we need to click Encrypt with Password. Now once again, it's very important to not forget this password. But we're going to go ahead and enter any password that you want. Click OK. And then it's going to ask you to re-enter the password just for clarification. Click OK. And now we have to make sure we click Save. Now the next time we open this file, we will be prompted to enter a password. So let me go ahead and show you that. I'm going to exit out of this Excel file. And I personally have the file saved on my desktop, but what you want to do is find the file, open it, and now we have a little dialog box to enter a password. So I'm going to enter the password, click OK, and now we have granted access to the workbook. To remove the password, what we can do is go up to File, go back to Info, Protect Workbook, click Encrypt with Password, and remove the password. And click OK. And make sure you click Save. Now the next time we open this file, we'll get instant access to the workbook.